Okay, it's recording. Okay, that should work. Hi. Come in quietly. Okay, guys, come in quietly. Have a seat. Okay, guys, have a seat. Sit up nice and straight. We're going to have a fun lesson today, but I need you guys ready for me. You guys need to sit up nice and straight. I need your eyes looking this way. Your body's facing me, okay? Thank you. Yeah, baby, have a seat.
Wow, thank you for this question also.
Yes, thank you. This is my turn. Okay, so before I get so right now I'm going to do a lesson with you guys. And before I get started, I'm going to go over my rules, okay? I have my rules up here. I need all your eyes looking. My first rule, friends, is be safe. Next rule, be respectful. So that's why, like, when we're sitting at your desk, you're quiet. That's being respectful of others learning, right? Of others people learning. Because if you're being loud, that's not allowing other people to learn, okay? So we need to be respectful of others. And we need to be responsible, okay? We need to do what the teacher says. We need to do what we ask, okay? That shows that you're responsible. Do the right thing, okay? And then our objective. For this lesson, we're going to be doing a science lesson. And our objective is, after making your own scientific observation, you will learn about how physical activities affect your heart. Did you guys get that? That kind of sounds like big words. You will understand when we go through the lesson. So let me get started. So today, you guys will be scientists. Do you guys know who this guy is? Does anybody know who this guy is? Raise your hand if you know. Raise a quiet hand. Coco, who is this guy? He's really famous. What do you think he is? Scientist. Yes, he is a famous scientist. This guy is Albert Einstein. Very famous scientist. Yeah, usually, quiet. When I think of science, I think of this guy a lot. And this is something, quiet voices. So this says, let me read this quote. It says, this is something he said. So this is a quote. It says, all of science is nothing more than the refinement of everyday thinking. Believe it or not, boys and girls, you guys do this. You guys are scientists all the time. You guys just don't realize it.
What?
Yeah.
We are scientists.
You are scientists.
Everyone
Okay,
is scientists.
listen. So let me go to my next slide. So, yes, I made it for you guys. What do scientists do? So can you guys turn to your neighbor and tell them, what do you think scientists do?
Put that away right now.
Okay, let me see. Focus that one. Focus that two. Eyes on who? Okay. Raise your hand if you would like to share what you think scientists do or what your neighbor said to you. Let me see if someone could tell me. Joseph, take that out of your mouth, friend. Joseph, what do you think scientists do?
Research on animals.
Research. That's a big word. What does research mean? Research on animals.
Like learn about them.
Learn about them. Good. Learn about animals. What else? Kendall.
They figure something out.
They figure something out. Yes. Good. That's another one. Raise quiet hand. Sadie, what else?
Make things.
They make things. Yeah, they could invent things.
That's a great idea.
That's a good one. Good. Avery, what else?
They're cool.
They're cool. Why are they cool?
They're cool because they make a lot of cool things.
They could make things. That's true.
They
Well,
can make.
I love that you guys want to participate. Charlotte,
They make solutions.
they make solutions. Do you mean like chemical solutions? Very cool. Okay, I'm gonna pick two more people and then we're gonna move on to the next slide. Maya.
They work in labs and try to make problems go away.
Okay, some of them do work
That's a
in labs.
great
Good.
idea.
Great idea. Bryson.
They do science experiments
They do science experiments. Yes. Okay, no more. Hands down. Let's move on to our next slide. So you kind of have an idea of what scientists do, guys? Yes? Okay. Let me see the next slide. Let's see. So scientists are just curious people like you and me, guys. They're curious, right? You gotta be curious about what you so let me see the next slide. Yeah, you make smart, yeah. You think about, okay. So scientists study the world around them. What are different things that scientists study about? Raise a quiet hand. What do they study? There are different things, different kinds of science. Matthew. They study places like, what do you mean? What do they study? Places. Name something that scientists study. What's a place? Think about. Think about it.
Yeah, come back to Matthew.
Yeah, I'll come back. Think about it. Places. You have an idea. Shh, Kaden.
The lab.
The lab.
They study the lab?
Maybe they study in the lab.
Yeah, that's a
But what do they study about? What subjects? What different things? Brody.
They study about chemistry.
About chemistry. What does that study about?
Like putting stuff in.
What stuff? Think chemistry. It's chemicals. The study of chemicals. Chemistry. Yes. Potions. Okay, that's chemicals. Yeah, potions. Good. I love that you guys want to participate. Yes, Brooklyn. Your body. We have been learning about the body, guys. Remember we learned about what? Skeleton. What else are we learning about now? The heart. Good. Okay, hands down. Let me move on to the next slide. Let me see. Yes, there will be a bit. Okay, so scientists. Oh, I should have waited to ask you about this. So scientists make what? They make. What does that mean? Raise your hand. What do observations mean? Coco, what does it mean to make an observation? Think about it. What is it not? Scientists make observations. What does it mean to observe? Hold on, I want Coco to tell me. I'll come back to you. Well, think about observe. When you observe something. Let me think. Let me see. Someone can help my friend Coco. Oliver, what does it mean to observe?
To gather a lot of information.
Oh, did you read that part? Yes, you gather information using what, guys? You can use your eyes. You can use your touch. How would you? Let me see. Raise a hand. How would you use your mouth to make an observation? Don't shout, guys. No shouting. Kendall. If it's a type of food, you could be testing food, right? Scientists could test food. What about? Oh, you could smell it. Yes, you could use it. Yes, all of your senses you could use to. My turn, guys. Focus tab 1. Focus tab 2. Eyes on who?
Eyes on you.
Good job, guys. Okay, so to make observations, you could use all these different things. Okay, so that's how scientists make observations. And okay, let's see. Next one. And I should ask, what else? So we said scientists, what they do. Someone said research. Who said research? Is it Joseph? Joseph, what do they mean research? Shh, quiet. Everyone should be listening to Joseph. What do they mean?
They could see how they feel or how they touch it.
See how something feels or touching it? They're trying to figure something out, how something feels, what it does. Good job. What else, Kaden?
What you see about the experiment?
What you see? Yeah, what did you see? So let's read this. So scientists do what? Scientists and make what? What are predictions? Someone raise a quiet hand. Yeah, we do it all the time. What are predictions? Aaron, I need you to participate. What are predictions, Ren? What are predictions? Think about when you guys read in your story. I want to hear Aaron. What's a prediction? What is a prediction? Predict. What does it mean to predict something? Let me see if somebody else. Can I ask someone else?
Yeah.
Let me see. Somebody else. Nathan, what is a prediction? What does it mean to predict something?
We do it
Guys
before
should
we
know
read.
this.
All the time we do this.
Yes.
All the time.
Rylan.
Guess.
Yes, good. Good. It's to take a guess or to think about what is going to happen. How do we, but do we just guess just random or do we use what we know? We use what we know and what we see, right? We think, what could happen? With what I already know, what could happen, okay? Sit up nice and straight, friends. You guys need to be sitting up looking this way.
Push your chair in.
Yes.
Tilt it to the front so you know that your body's the right way. Much better.
Yes. Oh, and there, I'm not going to change it to the next one. There's a fancy word that scientists use that means the same, it is a synonym for prediction. Let me see if someone knows it. It starts with an H. I don't know if you guys know it. It's a cool word. Joseph, do you know the word? It starts with an H. Brooklyn. You guys might have heard it in another science lesson. I don't. It starts with an H. Hi, what?
I know it.
You're
Right,
close.
let's get number
You have the
10.
first one. Quiet. Oliver, what is it called?
High tech.
No. It's a high. What is this called? Hypothesis. Good girl, give me a high five. Yes, it's a hypothesis.
Hypothesis. That's a big word, isn't it? Can you say
Yes.
Hypothesis.
Hypothesis. And see, so a fancy word that scientists use for prediction is a what?
Hypothesis.
Today, guys, you guys will be making a hypothesis about what you will be studying.
So that means you're going to predict.
Yes, we're gonna predict.
You're going to make a guess.
Yes. Okay. So let's see. Look, I need your eyes looking this way. Tristan's eyes looking this way. Let me move on to the next slide. So to come up with a hypothesis, scientists need to know what? What do they need to know? Haley, what do they need to know? Huh? Social studies? They need to know something. Let me see who hasn't helped me. Nolan, what do they need to know? What do scientists need to know before they make a hypothesis? If you're making a prediction about something, like what do you need to know to make a prediction? Katie. Clues. You need to know clues, yeah? You need to know. Aaron. You need to know what you're investigating. Did you read that? Yes. We need to know what we're trying to figure out, right?
You need to know what
We need to know. So let's see, these people are making a prediction. They're making a hypothesis. They have these different things. This one says 10 plants, small amount. Oh, so they're trying to see these different plants, what different things they will do. So with different amounts of fertilizer, like will they grow different, things like that. Let me see the next one. So after scientists come up with the hypothesis, what do you do next when you have your hypothesis? We have our hypothesis now. What do we have to do? Paige, what do we do? What's the next step? What is it? I know it says next step, but what is the next step after we've done our hypothesis? Sadie, what is our next step? We predict something. Now, what do we need to do? What do scientists do? Think about scientists. What do they do after they've made their hypothesis? They have to do what? Oliver.
Try to make something work.
Try to make something work. You're close. You're close. They need to what? Tristan.
Try to make it work.
Try to make it work.
Try to make.
When they're trying to figure something out. What do they need to do after this? Charlotte.
They have to figure out what it will make.
They have to figure out what will
Happen.
happen. They have to